Today we're gonna make trinket trays. I don't know what the word is, but little trays via a technique called wet molding. If you don't know what that is, we're gonna get into it right away. I have a bet to settle, so yeah. If you don't know why I'm wearing this gorgeous shirt, you'll have to check out our last video with Ben. Yeah, go watch that. But I'll let this shirt speak for itself. Anyways, we're gonna get right into the important part of the video. So we're gonna be making these trinket trays with a process called wet molding. And wet molding is essentially soaking natural vegetable tan leather in water and then molding it to a shape. This is an extremely easy DIY, and it basically requires only 3 things. 5-ounce leather, has to be veg tan leather. That's this natural color. These are the Pyrex containers I'm using. This one's a 1 cup. 2 cups, 4 cups, and water. A little more than this. Let's go.